See, it works. Yeah, there needs another tub in there. Yeah, the tub I put on leaks, so I need to put a tub in there. A little more piglets. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There's about 5 in there, all trying to get their heads in, and then they're fighting. Stop fighting, you little dogs. Now 2 of them are fighting, or mating. And then all the seed that falls off, the other ones get. Still fighting, there's 2 of them. I think I need to put a bigger container. Another one. Oh, you freaking mosquitoes. Millions of mozzies at the moment. Sorry. I'm going to mosquitoes off me. So all the seed that does fall off, these stragglers get some. So it does work.